Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading Signals come to you live from Asia. I got my Joe. There's no go without the Joe. We're going to be talking about what's going on with crypto right now. Crypto is down right now. Why is it down? What's causing that? We're going to be talking about CPI data. Is this doom and gloom scenario for the U.S. economy? Also, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Michael Saylor just came out and dropped a huge freaking bombshell when it comes to Bitcoin spot ETFs and what's going on. And overall, I'm very, very, very freaking bullish about crypto right now. I'm so happy. Even despite we're having a little bit of a pullback out there, things are going to be looking good. And also, too, a quick, not a warning, but a bit of an update to the Dogecoin node operators. You need to do this right freaking now, or you're going to get forked. You're going to get forked out there. So we're going to be talking about that. We're going to be jumping into everything. And this just make you feel good. Lovely jubbly out there. Do not forget to smash the likes, guys. Lick those freaking likes like crazy. And show some love, guys. Go down there and subscribe. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. We got lots of good stuff. Wow, it's over. Never worry again. Get it now. Lots of stuff, guys. Insane news in the membrane, guys. Lots of cool stuff. I appreciate it. And let's dive in. Let's jump into what is going on. So let's just kind of give you a bit of a update of what's going on. Yesterday, we did see that the Dow Jones tumbled about 500 points, and that is after the hot inflation report. So we're going to be diving into the inflation report in a second, but overall the markets are down, down out there. And we did see that, down 500 points, inflation, not so good. Breaking news, inflation comes down, it comes in hotter than expected. Came at 3.1, they were expecting about 2.8, 2.9 out there, so not so good. But overall, if you take a look, while CPI inflation is at 3.1, inflation is much higher in many basic necessities. So, aggregately speaking, it's 3.1. But if you look at car insurance, it's still up 20.6% for the year. Transportation inflation, 9.5. Hotel services, 6.7. Car rental, 6.5. Homeowner inflation is 6.2. Rental inflation, 6.1. Food away from home is up. Both core CPI and headline CPI came in hotter than expected. This is a second straight month with both readings being hotter than expected. This could be not good. We could get another delay on the rate decreases and get more hikey hikes out there. But the good news is, even despite the really bad CPI data, we are seeing that Bitcoin is still up 16.59% for February. Good news. The impact on the crypto markets, about 1%, around 1%, maximum 2% out there. So it's to be expected. A little bit of pullback is to be expected. But the fear and greed is still 74. We're down from yesterday. Extreme greed. But there's a little bit of pullback. Get the joke. This little pullback is good. A good time to buy the dips. A lot of most crypto is on sale. So a little bit of pullback. I wouldn't worry about it. Overall, crypto was up. Bitcoin is up. On the weekly, it's up 15%. Ethereum's up 10%. Solana's up a whopping 15%. So everything's still up on the weekly, even though we're having a little bit of a pullback today. Cardano got beaten up. Avalanche beaten up. Chainlink is down. Doge is down, but we're still sitting above 8 cents. So that is pretty awesome out there. The DXY is pumping up. Not good. We need this to come down. Remember, this is inverse related to Bitcoin. This goes up, Bitcoin can go down. So another reason we're seeing a bit of a spiky wake out there. So overall, the crypto markets and crypto was not really hit that hard. We're still just sitting on my sloping support of the yellow line, and we're at 49,500. Not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby. I wouldn't worry about it. We're seeing Ethereum right now is above $2,600, so that is good. Let me change the color of that. It should be red, should be green. So, okay, a little bit of pullback. I'm not concerned out there. I still believe that 16K is loading. Once we get past the 1.618 Fibonacci, we're going to see Bitcoin soon hit that top zone here. 60K is loading right now. And once we get to this 1.618, this is typically the zone the zone of all-time highs, and that could take us 170K. Wow. So right now we're loading, and I think that, 60K is coming in, absolutely coming in. Looks like new Bitcoin ETF inflows continue to surge, so the amount of inflows to Bitcoin ETFs is getting higher. And did you know the demand right now, the demand for Bitcoin spot ETFs is so high that the demand is outstripping the supply right now in terms of what's being produced. So ETFs inflows continue to surge with the second, fourth, and fifth highest inflows to date recorded over the last 3 trading days. The new 9 have accumulated 228K Bitcoin. Wow. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Let's listen to Michael Saylor. Let me turn up the volume here. And I think this is important. Listen to what he has to say. He was asked, what does he think about Bitcoin?
Well, I think a lot of this is just indicative of the popularity of Bitcoin as an asset class. It's now the world's most popular investment asset.
That's true.
It's novel, it's digital, it's global, it's unique, and it's uncorrelated to traditional risk assets because it doesn't come with exposure to any given country, currency, company, quarterly result, product cycle, competitor, not to weather, not to war, not to an employee base or supply chain.
Exactly.
And so that makes it a natural addition to the portfolio of a responsible investor.
Absolutely.
There's 10 years of pent-up demand. People have been waiting for these ETFs, and finally, mainstream investors are able to access Bitcoin. And I think that's what's driving the surge of capital in the asset class. And initially, there was a rebalancing as people were moving capital between the futures market and the miners and MicroStrategy and the ETFs. But following that rebalancing, I think the assets found its footing, and now people are beginning to realize that there's 10 times as much demand for Bitcoin coming in through these ETFs as there is supply coming from the natural sellers who are the miners.
Yeah, and of course we're going to get the halving event, which I imagine will sort of shift some of those supply-demand dynamics coming into the spring as well. Earnings last week, you rebranded the company.
So you can see Michael Saylor is saying that there's 10x demand for Bitcoin, absolutely 10x demand for Bitcoin right now. So I still believe there's a lot of upside for Bitcoin. I think you should believe there's a lot of upside for Bitcoin. If you believe there's a lot of upside, guys, smash the freaking like. Don't forget to go down and subscribe. Looks like former Binance CEO ZZ criminal sentences postponed to April, so he's going to get sentenced. Looks like Robinhood reports crypto revenue of $43 million. 43 million, and that is up 8%. A lot of that is on fees for buying and selling crypto on their platform. So as we can see, the resurgence on price increase of crypto is helping a lot of the exchanges out there. So that is pretty good. Bitcoin is trading above the 0.168 Fibonacci level right now. Right now, we're at this level. Historically, Bitcoin has never closed above the 0.168 in any of the previous cycle before the halving event on the weekly chart. It could happen. This area has acted as strong resistance zone and at the last area of problem before reaching all-time high. I believe we're going to break past this, and currently this Fibonacci level is sitting around 48,500. We are currently above that. And if we can go above this 0.618 soon, this is going to be extremely bullish, and this could push us easily up to 60 freaking K, guys. Having 63 days away, guys, get ready. Boom, chakalaka. Just in, German banks prepare for huge loan defaults and the greatest real estate crisis in the financial history of Germany. Ouch. Ouch. Guys, Bitcoin's remarkably past 50K milestone sparks 80 billion surge in crypto market. So we're seeing that the total market cap right now for crypto is going up, guys. Absolutely going up. Let me give this a minute. Refresh the zone. We're at 1.85 trillion. That's down 1.3%, but that is good, guys. And I think that $2 trillion is coming in. Let's talk about Doge for a second. Before we do that, guys, don't forget to get a NANO Leger. Go down there, get it. And remember, if you've got your crypto on a centralized exchange, you don't own the crypto. You could lose the crypto. Get an exchange in your pocket. Get a NANO Leger. The link's down there, guys. Show some love. What's going on with Doge right now? It looks like Mystery Wallet snags $5.86 million worth of Doge from Robinhood. So Dogecoin sees significant move as $5.86 million worth of Doge is transferred from Robinhood to an undisclosed wallet. So that is good. It means that somebody just bought a whole beep load of Doge and is now transferring it to a custodial wallet. And they're going to be hodling and holding like a madman. So that's good news. What else is coming in? Whale shuffles 250 million Doge to circle back to the top 10. So that is pretty good. Whales make major moves. So it looks like $150 million or 150 million Doge or $12 million transfer from Robin to own no wallet. So again, another big move. It looks like Doge experienced a decrease in transaction volume and whale transactions count, when typically indicates lower trading activity. This could be a sign that fewer people are buying, selling, or transferring Doge. That's possibly due to a reduced interest or confidence. No, I think people are just sitting back, and waiting for CPI data to come out. It's come out, so you're gonna start to see the volumes coming. Don't forget this is coming. Dogecoin Tip Jar on X, guys. Once we get those 2 more transmitter licenses, we're gonna definitely see Elon Musk turn on Dogecoin as a cryptocurrency of Twitter, and we're gonna see Tippy. We're gonna see a lot of stuff happening, guys. Absolutely happening, guys. Keep in mind, if you're a node operator or miner still running the very old version, please consider upgrading to 1.14.6. If you do not do that, you could get forked. So if you're a Dogecoin node operator, don't forget to update. That's so important. Let's take a look at what's going on in Doge right now. So Doge right now is just sitting above the purple rain line at 0.812. I'm not too concerned about it. I think we're just going to stay there. Even though CPI data came in Pupushmanaville, we're still doing okay, guys. And 48% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money right now. 17% breaking even, 34% out. And the majority of Dogecoin holders, 62%, have been holding for a year plus, and 27, 1 to 12 months, and less than 1 month is only 11%. So a lot of long-term holders, a lot of lovers of Doge out there, guys. So that's going to bring this quickie video to an update. Let's take a look at this. We're seeing that the market cap is down and the volumes are up 14%. So yeah, people are still moving. That's pretty close to $500 million worth of Dogecoin transacted. So not too shabby, guys. Guys, don't forget to go follow me on my Twitter. I appreciate it. We got 10,800 people out there. So yo, get it, guys. So be blessed, be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. Peace out.